Okay, we are in Kilayim Perek Chet Mishnah Bet. Pretty short Mishnah. Just as an introduction, we'll notice that when we come to animals, there's two types of Kilayim. Says the Torah in Vayikra, Yutet Yutet, Et Chukotai Tishmeru, Ve'emtecha lo tarbiya Kilayim. Lo tarbiya Kilayim, you shouldn't tarbiya, you should have animal husbandry to mate two animals together. That's one type. And the other one is lo tachrosh shor ubechamor yachdav. Okay, you shouldn't tachrosh, choresh is plowing, you shouldn't plow with a shor and a chamor together. So those are two types of prohibited combinations of animals. So our Mishnah, we learned before in the last Mishnah about the last kind of prohibition, about harba'ah. Today we're going to talk about, now according to most Mefarshim, not according to the Rambam, according to most Mefarshim, we're going to talk about leading animals together. So, Mishnah says, behema behema, all of these, okay, even though it says, lo tachrosh shor bechamor, shor and chamor, doesn't mean that. It means two species of behema, or chaya im chaya, two species of chaya. Behema im chaya, v'chaya im behema. Yes, those are the same, but it says it twice, I'm not sure why. A behema with a chaya, or a chaya with a behema. Okay, those are two different categories of animals, behema and chaya. There's like 10 types of chaya. Doesn't mean wild animals, there's a category. Or behema tmeya and tmeya, a pig and, I don't know, giraffe. No, giraffe is Torah. Sorry, pig and gorilla. Torah im Torah, or a giraffe and a sheep. Tmeyaim Torah, Torah and tmeya. All of these things, asurim lachrosh, you can't not only choresh, plow, or limshoch, to pull, ulahanhig means to lead. So what are the differences? A lot of different Mefarshim explain different things, but limshoch means, limshoch, some animals are normally moshuch, they're pulled. Ulahanig, some are normally darko lahanig, you lead them. Gamal, or you gotta pull the animal. Chamur, or behanaga, or a donkey goes by himself, you lead him. Okay, nonetheless, these are two animals that are together, umiyu, ben gamal, ben machamur, chaya, ben moshech, ben manhig. It doesn't matter. You're not allowed to both moshech, or manhig, or lead them. All of those behaviors are prohibited when it comes to animals that are connected together, one with the other. Now, it's interesting to note that in the Torah it says, as we'll notice, it says, lo tacharash b'shor ubechamor yachtab. It says shor and chamor. And here in our Mishnah it says any type of behema, any type of chaya, it says shor and chamor. So why should it only be shor and chamor? This is actually an interesting thing that's brought up by another Mishnah in Baba Kama, Perek Mishnah Zayin, which we actually just learned in Daf Yomi a little bit ago. Says the Mishnah, echad shor ve'echad kol behema. It's not just a shor, it's any behema, not only for a lot of different things, for if it falls in a bore, Har Sinai, blah, blah, blah. He also says, okay, lifrika, lechasima, and then, I'm not going to go into each one, but we'll get there when we get to Baba Kama, liklayim. It's shor v'kol behema. If that's so, imkein, lama ne'ema shor chamor. Why does it say shor chamor? Like in our pasuk, it says, lo tacharosh b'shor b'chamor yachtav. So Mishnah says quite simply, ela diber hakatu behoveh. It's talking about those are the animals usually used, that are normally used for plowing. That's why it says shor and chamor. But if you choose to use your giraffe and your pig together, that's also prohibited. And shor and chamor is simply the Torah's example. Okay, we'll stop here. If you have any comments or questions, rspolter@gmail.com. And I'll dedicate this learning to the memory of my father, Harav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a great day.